I am ETO Cadet Escanio Justin Colby. The ship's generator and distribution system is one of my most memorable learning here in Gigamar. Since I don't have any idea on this topic, but through this ETO course and using DDS simulator, I am now equipped with the right knowledge. This topic is more than technical. It's essential for safety, efficiency, and reliability at the sea. Understanding it makes me feel responsible and connected to the ship's operations, as I've learned how critical it is for a successful voyage. Knowing the role this system plays behind the scenes has made this learning experience truly memorable. Again, this is ETO Cadet Escanio Justin Colby.
I am ETO Cadet Balbes Mike Lister. Studying ship generators and diving into the role of rectifier diodes was a really memorable experience. It was fascinating to see how these little components handle the heavy work to keep a ship's electrical system running smoothly. Learning how they manage high currents and prevent power loss made me appreciate the engineering that goes into making sure everything on the board works reliably, even in tough conditions. It gave me a real understanding of why attention to detail matters so much in marine system. And once again, this is ETO Cadet Balbes Mike Lister.
I'm ETO Cadet Ibdalin Raymond. Working with marine high voltage system has been one of the most memorable parts of my training here in Gigamar. High voltage requires a deep understanding of safety and proper procedures. What stands out most is how crucial safety is when working with these systems. I learned about the specific personal protective equipment and rated tools to high voltage, as well as the essential safety activities like risk assessment, lockout tagout, termination of grounding, draw out and draw in of breakers. This experience really hit home for me because I understand now how vital it is to protect both myself and the crew. This experience has prepared me for the challenges of being an ETO on board. It's something I always carry with me. Once again, I'm ETO Cadet Ibdalin Raymond H.
This is ETO Cadet Bumaat Elmer Jr. L. My best experience in Gigamari is about fire detection and alarm system. FDAS is a vital safety components aboard ships, serving as the first line of defense against devastating effect of fire. By providing early detection, alerting the crew, and facilitating a coordinated response, the FDAS protect lives, minimize damage, and ensure regulatory compliance. As part of the broader fire safety strategy, it integrates with other ship systems to enhance overall safety, making it an indispensable tool preventing maritime disasters. These systems typically has components like manual call point, smoke, heat, and gas detector, control panel, audible alarm, and visual alarm. I also learned about the challenges of maintaining this system and regular testing. Along with compliance with maritime safety regulation, to ensure they function properly during emergency. Once again, this is ETO Cadet Bumat Elmer Jr. L.
Hi, I'm ETO Cadet Almojel Nino. The insights and skills we gained during the training in the Giga Mare enhanced our understanding of the subject matter and inspired us to strive for excellence in our future endeavors, especially in practicing the insulation resistance test, which help us identify insulation problems before they lead to serious failures. To conduct polarization index or PI test, DAR or dielectric absorption ratio by measuring low insulation behaves over time. Also, in motor overhauling, inspecting its components and replacing or repairing any parts that are worn out or damaged. It is a vital part of ensuring that our equipment operates as its best. Again, this is ETO Cadet Almojel Nino.
I am ETO Cadet Himpit Jason. My best experience in Giga Mare is that I acquired new knowledge and skills not just on electrical engineering field but also on other aspects, especially mechanical and automation aspects. Like for example, in mechanical topic, which is refrigeration and air conditioning, I am very excited on this topic since I know that I have totally zero knowledge on this before. After here in Giga Mare, with the essential principles and skills that I acquired, I am already now confident to go on board and excited to personally experience an actual scenario in the ship. Once again, this is ETO Cadet Himpit Jason.
I am ETO Cadet Marasigan Kenneth C. At first, I did not consider becoming a seafarer. However, when I discovered the duties and responsibilities of an ETO on board, I suddenly realized that I still have much to learn on the electrical and electrician on board field. And with the support of my family, especially Giga Mare, and our company, Epsilon, I was given the opportunity to be one of the future ETOs under this program. I chose the main engine topic because it is one of the most important and crucial engines on the board on the ship. And I know that with all the technologies modernization that is happening, all the ship engines will soon be replaced by electronic engines, which made it more interesting to learn. Once again, I am ETO Cadet Marasigan Kenneth C.
I am ETO Cadet Cabaltera Alton Xavier T. Training here in Giga Mare has been an exciting journey for me as an electrical engineer. I have learned a lot from my instructors here, and I'm sure there's a lot more to learn because I found out that the maritime industry is a very broad field. In particular, I feel fulfilled that I have enhanced my knowledge and skills in automation. I was able to draw from my knowledge base and previous job experience, which enabled me to grasp and appreciate the automated systems in ships, such as the incinerator, boiler system, propulsion systems, and electronic marine engines. I am excited about the future, how new technologies will be implemented and applied in the maritime industry. Again, this is ETO Cadet Cabaltera Arlton Xavier T.
I am ETO Cadet Siloy Vince F, and I chose navigation as my favorite subject because it taught me a lot of things, especially when we are working with radars. We can see that radars are good indication that we have other vessels that is around the sea. And also, when we are practicing here at our navigation room, and the one memorable thing to me was when our boat was capsized. It was a fun experience because we were learning and having fun together with our instructors and our batchmates. Once again, I am ETO Cadet Sitoy Vince F. Thank you.
I am ETO Cadet Hardin Brian. I chose the topic that most memorable learnings here in Gigamare is about the instrumentation and control. Refers the use of devices and systems to measure, control, and monitor physical quantities such as pressure, temperature, flow, and level. Proportional integral derivative or PID is a fundamental concept in automation and control that enhance system performance. Learning about PID controllers typically involves understanding the three distinct components. The proportional part adjusts the output based on the current error. The integral part accumulates past errors to eliminate steady state, and the derivative part predicts future errors based on the rate of change. A practical learning experience can include where we tune PID parameters to achieve desired performance in real-time systems. Again, this is ETO Hardin Brian A.
I am ETO Cadet Diaz Dexter. Training at Gigamare has been a great experience, providing me with essential knowledge relevant to our journey as electrotechnical officers. One of the key learning experiences here has been the automation of a pneumatic control system. By integrating a PLC with pneumatic controls, we've been able to create a more streamlined and efficient automated system, enhancing overall performance while significantly reducing wiring complexity. Once again, I'm ETO Cadet Diaz Dexter.
I'm ETO Cadet Oxtero Eliakim Ayan. The physical exercise helps me strengthen my physical and mental health. It increases my energy level and helps me improve my mood during that day, and also because of that, we develop a good camaraderie to each other.
Fleet! Attention!
Being the officer of the day helps me improve my leadership and social skills. It lessens my nervousness and boosts my confidence to handle other persons.
Quote of the day! Fill your life with experiences, not things. Have stories to tell, not stuff to show. Fleet! Isang bagsak! Uya!
Once again, I'm ETO Cadet Oxtero Ilking Ayan G.
Plata o plomo. Se le respeta, hijo de puta.
Meet me at the
It's whatever, it's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come on, gumbe, go, what's up? Oh, oh, oh. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Hey, so now you know the game. Are you ready? Cause I'm coming to get ya. Get ya, get ya. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 I'm on my way. Hold on, I'm on my way. Yeah, 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 I'm on my way.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Just meet me
Just meet me at the Just meet me at the